know you.
Dude?
You're the guy from that TV show that does weird shit with his mouth.
What, something like...
Yeah.
Something along those lines?
Can I do my rotor impersonation?
Uh-oh.
Do you need me to get some oil first?
Hang on, how about I...
You want to put on a show for us?
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Since we're surrounded by RBs right now, let's start with the RB26.
We'll probably start with an RB. Now, weather conditions are pretty wet, so we can't actually get one of the cars to actually do something. So we've got the next big thing.
Whatever else will be the next one.
Shall we start it up?
Yeah.
Second one, we'll do a highway pull.
Hell yeah. We got two Evos. Think you can, That's gonna be rough on your throat. So the water's for.
Yeah.
We just went to Summer Nats a few months ago, and there was a lot of blown cars.
Right.
Pop the tires, good. Let's see, we got a pair of rotaries in here. How do you feel about some braps?
Yep.
All right, let's go inside. Nice. I'll see you around applause. That's awesome. All right, we got a few more. Lamborghini Gallardo. Turbo or not turbo?
We'll do NA first.
All right.
So that was the NA one.
Holy shit, that's my favorite so far. I got chills. That's like super. That's like just like.
That's
the
from
sound of
watching
it.
1320 videos. That's
Hell
where I got that from.
Yeah, after writing in those, that's like you get the blow off. The blow off valve sounds are my favorite. Those are. Yes. What's your favorite one to do?
Well, probably the rotor. And if that's not it, I like doing the Monster Energy from Ken Block.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's one of my favourite ones as well to do. So, do you want me to?
You got enough in you to do it?
I can do
Go
it.
for
I'll
it.
do it.
That's great. 2J.
Real straight performance.
Oh yeah, there you go. Let me think. What else we got? I don't think we did SR. We did an RB, but not an SR. Hell yeah.
VTEC.
VTEC, yes. Don't break anybody's neck now. been doing that for?
Since I was a kid, man.
Really?
Yeah, always wanted to drive, so I used to sit in my living room with a steering wheel and just pretend to drive. If I couldn't drive, that was the next best thing.
Your dad a car guy?
My brother is. My brother's
okay.
a redhead. So everywhere we went, I wasn't much into the show scene. I would sit for literally 3 hours on the dyno and listen to the cars just loading up and spooling and revving and all
Really?
that. Yeah, it was crazy.
What made you start doing it? Just before you could drive, you wanted to...
Pretty much. So since I was about 9, 10 years old, I'll just sit in the living room and just, pretend like I was driving. Second best thing, I guess. If you can't afford the real thing, that's
There
all
you
you
go.
can do. So, yeah.
That's great. And you went on a TV show.
Yeah, I was on Australia's Got Talent about 4
That's what I saw,
years ago.
yeah.
Yeah. That video went viral
yeah.
to Bahrain, SEMA, Russia, England.
Really?
Yeah, to do commercials and stuff like that. Yeah, it's crazy.
Awesome.
It's crazy. So,
Well, it's good to see you here at the Turbo Smart
I'm
Meet and
glad,
Greet
I'm
Car
glad you
Show.
called. I'm glad that
love
you
it.
came back.
That's great. Where can people see your videos?
So pretty much you can see my videos on YouTube /Human Car Sounds, Instagram Human Car Sounds, and also on Facebook. Just click in Human Car Sounds, the first thing that comes up. So
Yeah.
thanks, guys.
Alright. I'm gonna get you some 1320 gears of thank you. Here you go. Here's you gotta hold that up. Check out the back. That's our new design.
I'm telling you, turn it into us, eh? You turn the biggest bag on me. Yeah. I
Luckily, my mom hasn't been to Australia, so she doesn't know what that last word is.